Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Struggling with your Samsung soundbar not connecting to your TV via HDMI? It's frustrating when you're ready to enjoy a movie night, but the sound isn't cooperating. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Samsung soundbar not connecting to TV HDMI and other practical steps to get your devices back in sync so you can enjoy your favorite shows and films with the immersive audio experience you deserve. Step 1. Check HDMI cables and ports. First things first, ensure that all cables and ports are functioning correctly. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your TV and the soundbar. Inspect the ports for any visible damage or debris, and try to use another HDMI cable if possible. Reconnect the cable firmly to ensure both devices are securely connected. This simple check can often resolve connectivity issues, as loose or faulty cables are a common culprit. Step 2. Update firmware. Your soundbar or TV may have outdated firmware, causing compatibility issues. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV and soundbar, checking for any available firmware updates. Most devices will allow you to update directly if connected to the internet. Installing these updates can improve performance and fix existing connection problems, ensuring your HDMI operates seamlessly. Step 3. Enable HDMI CEC. HDMI CEC allows different devices connected through HDMI to communicate. On your TV and soundbar, ensure that HDMI CEC is enabled. The setting might go by different names depending on your TV's brand, such as AnyNet Plus for Samsung. Enabling this feature facilitates better communication between your devices, potentially resolving connection issues. Step 4. Verify input settings. Configured input settings can create connectivity problems. Ensure that the input settings on both your TV and soundbar are correctly configured. On your TV, choose the correct soundbar HDMI input under the audio settings. Similarly, ensure your soundbar is set to receive input from the HDMI port where it is connected. Double-checking these settings can often clarify the root of the connection problem. Step 5. Perform a power cycle. A simple power cycle could sometimes reset your system back to normal. Turn off your TV and soundbar, then unplug them from the power source. Wait approximately 30 seconds before plugging them back in and powering them on. This can clear temporary glitches in the system, allowing a fresh attempt at establishing the HDMI connection. Dealing with a Samsung soundbar not connecting to your TV HDMI can indeed be a hassle, but by following these steps, you can diagnose and resolve most issues. By checking cables and ports, updating firmware, enabling HDMI CEC, verifying input settings, and performing a power cycle, you'll be back to enjoying crystal clear audio in no time. Remember, these procedures are geared towards not just resolving the current issue, but also preventing future disruptions to your audio experience. Should the problem persist despite trying these solutions, consider reaching out to Samsung support for more specialized assistance. With these steps in mind, you're equipped to tackle HDMI connection hurdles head-on, enhancing your viewing experience and getting the most out of your Samsung soundbar and TV setup. Happy viewing!